Happy morning, children. Now we are going to go for a walk, focusing on plants. I already told you I live in an apartment. This is my floor, right? Yes. So I have a kind of a plant in a small pot. Can you see the plant? Yes. So I told you we are going to go for a walk focusing on the plants. So let's focus. So I have this small plants in a pot. So see, what is this? What are these plants? See how the leaves are. See how the leaves are. How the stem is. There's another small, very small plant. See? See the leaves? How are the stems? Very thin, right? So these are very small plants. The stem, when we prick it, we can break it, right? So I don't want to disturb it by pricking. Maybe this is coriander leaves. Anyhow, I have to use it. So when I prick it, it easily breaks, right? The stem, how are the stem? The stems are so thin and weak, right? This is what? Mint leaves. This also, the stem is very weak. When I prick it, I can break it easily. So these small plants with thin stems, weak stems are herbs. Okay? So I'll take you outside my apartment. I'll go for a street walk focusing on the plants. Let's observe this plant. What is this plant? Can you see it? Whether it is a tree? No, right? See, observe the leaf. I think you would have identified. Yes, henna plant. Henna na? Mardani. So, how are the leaves? It's small, right? Yes. See? This too has many branches. Thick stem, right? How are the stems? Thick. I'll show you some plants around my home, okay? Outside my apartment. So here, see this plant? Observe this plant. I'll show you closely. See the leaves? See, there's so many branches. Is it easy to prick this stem? See the stem? Is it easy to prick? No. The stems are woody. It's woody. It has many branches. So, is it called herb? No. Very, very small plants with thin, weak stem is called herbs. But see the stem of this? It is woody, right? So, how do we call this plant? It is called shrubs. It is called Shrubs. What do we call this as? Shrubs. Okay? What is this plant? Let's observe this plant. It's small. I'll smell these leaves. Ah, a good smell. It's a tulsi plant. Is it a herb or a shrub? The stem is actually not so weak. We'll find out. Tulsi plant is a herb or a shrub. We'll find out. Okay? How about the rose plant? Did you notice something? It's bushy, right? Can we prick the stem of the rose plant easily? No. It is also thick. It has many branches. So rose plants are also called shrubs. Okay? Yes. So let's go for a walk and observe this plant. How does this plant look like? Yes, let's observe it. It has many branches, right? The leaves are very small. What plant is this? Yes, you identified rightly. It is Mardani plant, henna plant. Okay? See? How are the stems? It has many branches. How is the stem? It's thick. Can we prick it easily? No, it is woody, right? Thick stem. It has many branches. This is called herbs? No, shrubs. So, what is this? Shrubs. Okay? Observe this. Very small, thin stems. Another thin stem. If I prick it, it will come out easily. What variety of it is? These are climbers. No. Shrubs. No. These are herbs. Very small plant with thin stem are called herbs. See this one which I showed you in my home. Small mint leaves. These are also herbs, right? இங்க பாருங்க onion. This is also herbs. I have reached my apartment, but still I would like to observe plants. I'm continuing my nature walk, observing plants and leaves. I'm focusing on the plants. Let's observe this plant, Sembarthi Poochedi. We call it hibiscus or shoe flower. La? Beautiful. See the flower, leaf. This is a variety. Herba, shrubba or climbers? Tell me. See? It has many branches. It is bushy. The stems are thick and woody. Yes, you got it right. Hibiscus, Sambarthi Chedi, It's shrub. Shrub plants are thick. It has thick stems, bushy. So these shoe flower or hibiscus plant are shrubs. Let's observe this plant. See, it's something, it looks beautiful. It has taken the support of the tree to grow. It has climbed up the tree. What are these leaves? See, the leaves are beautiful. இது என்ன பிளான்ட்னு தெரியுதா? வெத்தலைன்னு சொல்லுவாங்க இல்லையா, beetle leaves. அந்த plant. Beetle leaves plant. So it has taken the support to grow. Some plants need support to grow. It climbs, it takes the support of trees or the walls. These plants are called climbers. These plants are called climbers. See here? Climbers. It takes the support of the wall to grow. So these, what is this? It's a money plant. It takes the support to grow. Climbers. So I am still walking, observing the plants, different types of plants. I focus on the stem, leaves. You also go for a walk observing plants, okay? So what are these? இது என்னது? Tall, woody. இது என்ன kind of plant? Herb? Shrub? இது என்னது? Neem tree. These are trees. See, the trunk is so thick. It is tall. Yes, without plants and trees, we can't live, right? See here. What plant is this? Can you see? It's தெரியுதா என்னன்னு? பேம்பு. மூங்கில் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல, பேம்பு. This is near my apartment. I could see many plants here. So let's go observe this. Okay? Yes, I could see a banana plant. Let me observe this. The stem is thick. Banana plant, we use the stem, we use the fruit, we use the leaves too, right? What variety are the banana plant? Is it herbs or shrubs? Let's find out, okay?